speak increase over their lives. I speak favor over their lives. I speak healing right now. In the name of Jesus.
It's too loud. It's too loud for me to be vlogging right now, but I'm about to take my probiotic real quick. My husband is watching the church service in the background, so we listen to it really loud. Let me give y'all a glimpse of what our church. So yeah, that's our church. But I have one left in here. That's why I have it on my list of things to get from the store, because this is essential. But I'll see y'all in the store. Which one? Oh, isn't that the one you want?
It looks like I hate to.
It is it. Let me see. Oh, it's similar.
It's similar, like this look big, is it?
But babe, I think that one would look nice.
You sure that would look nice for me?
Yes. You guys, look at this. Look at these bowls. They're $99. Set of 2. That's a really good price. Y'all, we're back from the grocery store. Honestly, that was so treacherous. Like, I'm just so over it. Makes you not want to shop. I think y'all seen what we got at Sam's Club. Then we went to Walmart. I didn't record. I was over it. We just got like butter, all of the ingredients, cheese and stuff to make the mac and cheese, sour cream, popcorn. Got more of that probiotic that I told y'all about. This is really good. Ball pens, batteries. Yo, it was, I don't know what it is about Sunday, but it was so many people at the store today. It was actually ridiculous how much people was out there. Like, you can't find parking. So much people in your face. The lines were out the door. Like, it was just truly too much. Tomatoes, cucumbers. We have a cabbage. And then that's the thing too, the cabbage were torn up. They were out of green bell peppers. Just crazy. Elbow, mac and cheese. Macaroni. They didn't have the Tazo brand, but this is Goji original chai tea. Much more matcha powder to make my matchas. Yeah, I'm so over it, really. Ugh. Too much. We went to the store for a few things. And we came back with so much stuff. This is just what it is. I'm gonna pack the things out and then I'll be back once we start cooking. Okay, y'all, so we're finally done cooking. Here is the gungo rice and peas. This is my brown stew chicken. It's just me, y'all. Like I told y'all, he is a vegetarian, so he does not eat chicken. So this is for me. This is his brown stew tofu. Mac and cheese. Not too much on my mac and cheese. My pan was too big and I didn't want to make a lot, so there was some cheese on the side that browned, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, mac and cheese. This is our sliced veg. Sliced tomatoes and cucumbers, and then this is our raw veg. If you're Jamaican, then you know. So yeah, y'all, look at me. I am tired. I am done. Finally done cooking. Just showed y'all the food. We're about to eat. We can get a little taste test, see how he likes the food, but we'll see y'all in just a minute. Let me get our plates together. Okay, y'all, we are both here about to eat. I've already tasted it. It's really good. The mac and cheese is a 10 out of 10. Everything else is pretty good. What about you, babe?
It do. Tastes good.
What would you rate the mac and cheese? 1 to 10.
A 10.
Everything else?
Everything. Everything is good. Everything. The rice, tofu, everything. The veggies.
Everything. Everything. Okay? But it's like Thanksgiving up in here. We're gonna eat and make some homemade like lemonade, Kool-Aid, fruit punch, whatever. But yeah, peace out. Y'all, I guess he wasn't lying. Plate is cleared. I'm still working on it.